What we thought we'd do, we thought we'd like make our own little lights here in this area with us and you guys. So anyone who's got like a phone, a camera phone with a light on, or a flash on your camera, just whack it in the air as loud as high as you can. That's it. I'm loving this. A bit more. I want to see more. Oh yeah, here we go. And we're gonna play a song now called "Standing in the Dark." Okay, and we aren't necessarily standing in the dark, so here we go. We want to see some more lights though. Anyone who's got a camera phone, just hold it up there. That's it, here we go. That's what it's all about, the light switch on. Okay, here we go, standing in the dark. So you're not far away. Close my eyes and I can see right next to you. There is nothing but a smile. This looks amazing, Sheffield. Got me right away, counting cracks along the pavement to see you face to face. Thinking about the conversation and knowing I want to change. Never wanted nothing more, but as I walk up to your door, everyone sing with us. Standing in the dark, just dancing on the table, looking through the glass. Someone else's angel. Things sound stupid that I'm wanting you back, but I'm wanting you back. Now I'm standing in the dark, oh dark. All I wanna do is hide. I can't stop myself from staring, wishing his hands are mine. I can't stop myself from caring, and as he turns down the lights, I'm feeling paralyzed, yeah. As he looks into her eyes, oh.